While you're gone, I just whipped some cream for this dessert, and these meringue nests are really cool. They're just made from egg whites and a little bit of sugar, and they add great texture to whipped cream. Just bash them up. How cool is that? Normally, I season whipped cream with powdered sugar, vanilla. You want to get it nice and tasty, but these meringue nests are so sweet, you don't want to season the cream. It'll just be way too sweet. You won't even be able to handle it. It'll be so sweet. And because it's so sweet, desserts are all about balance. And I find just a little bit of acid in there, like just a squeeze of lime, kind of cuts through that sweetness a bit, and it makes for a really tasty dessert. The whipped cream has a lot of air in it, so I just fold it over nice and gently, and it keeps the whipped cream nice and fluffy like a cloud. And this is kind of like a deconstructed pavlova. And pavlovas are simple. They're whipped cream, meringue, and then berries. You can use whatever berry you want. This is where you can be kind of fun. Really tart berries work really well, like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, even kiwis. You can mix it up, and you just build it like a parfait, like a little bit of blueberries, a little bit of the meringue and cream. And don't push it down. You want it to be nice and fluffy like a cloud, so just put a little bit in, and then just like line the berries on it. And this is a dessert you make for somebody that you love because it's delicious, it's simple, and it's really fun to eat. It's so good. Berry City. Because it's nice and sweet, I finish it with just a little bit of lime zest. It's just so nice and fragrant and sharp and really complements the blueberries and kind of balances the whole thing out. Oh, it smells so good. This dessert is exactly why my brother doesn't let me babysit his kids, because this is something I'd give to them about 10 minutes before he picked them up. Love you, buddy. That dessert, perfect, beautiful, fun, fresh, delicious.